Hello, Hickory Hills families, and welcome to Mrs. H's classroom. I'm so glad we're here to enjoy virtual an open house together. This is our classroom together. If you have Mrs. H for English, I'm showing your parents what you see every day. So parents, I'm glad that you're tuning in. I am in charge of English, so all reading, writing, listening and speaking standards are conducted in this room. We have a lot of fun in here, creative writing, different types of professional writing, where that's argumentative, expository writing, different types of writing styles, reading those styles and being able to write those. Hopefully your child will become an effective communicator. We know that they like to speak, but we're gonna be in this classroom teaching how to speak to an audience, how to present yourself and speak clearly in public speak, because that can be terrifying, even for adults. And so we're gonna learn how to do that together as a class and encourage one another as we learn. As you're seeing, there's lots of different things available. I always make sure that kiddos' agendas are posted so they know what to do. I always make sure that hopefully they feel safe and comfortable in my room to be themselves, but also to be able to learn from their mistakes and kind of move on in understanding that learning can be loud, learning can be fun, and it's something we can do together and even apart as we're virtually learning right now. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm so glad you're here to join for open house virtually, and we'll speak soon.